It's been a great experience for me. As a child, I got phobia from another dentist when my mom took me to the dentist, and I think everybody has that. Probably the least amount of doctors I want to see is a dentist. But here, they've really changed all that. They're like family. Dr. Tracy and her staff treat you like that. I'm not trying to go overzealous with it, but it's a lot of fun when you come here. And it's just a wonderful experience. Instead of dreading going to the dentist like I used to, it's a great, and they really take good care of me. Anytime, and of course in my profession, my smile is very important. So they've done an excellent job to help me keep that up. I talk to a lot of people that don't want to come to the dentist, and they wait and wait and wait because they've got this terrific thing in their head about, it's going to hurt, it's pain, it's whatever. And I'm just saying that when you come to XL, they do their best to make you relax and not have any of those anxieties. That's very important to me. In fact, the last time I was here, I made the comment to her, I won't be back for a year because of my yearly checkup, but I want to come back and see you. I mean, it's just that way here. When you come in, you feel good, and they take care of you. On emergency situations, I've had emergency where this just happened to me a couple weeks ago, where I had a crown loosen up, and they got me right in. I mean, it wasn't, well, we'll see you next Thursday or whatever. They worked you right in, and they're just good people.